Hello students, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the Econ Lowdown Online Learning Management System. You will have each received an email that looks like the Word document you see on the screen. It contains the URL, the student code, and the password for the Online Learning Management System. So the first thing you'll do is click on the URL, which since I'm on this page already, I'm simply going to click this and it'll take you to the login page. The easiest way to log in is simply to copy your student code into the correct field along with the password. You can see that my account is already logged in. This is what the student page looks like when you first enter. We've laid it out like a syllabus. And so at the top you see the name of the course and the instructor. You see the dates of the course. You see, as you would in a syllabus, an introduction, description of what the course is all about and the objectives. And then you see the layout of the assignments. All of these are assignments that will be due during the semester of this hypothetical course. Also, you have due dates for each of the assignments. When you're outside of these due dates, the assignment is grayed out and the student can't complete. You can only complete it during the active dates. To complete the assignment, you just go ahead and click the Launch button, where you'll be able to see the assignment. This assignment is to watch a short video that has content and then to take a quiz afterwards. We're going to skip over the video and just take a look at the quiz. And this system the videos are set up on a mastery system, so you can watch the videos as many times as you want and take the quiz as many times as you want, and the system will capture the highest score. I'm just going to randomly select questions and answers so you can see how the system works. You see the progress bar across the top. You see that it does give you feedback on the correct answers. And okay.
I know. I told him to quit doing it.
Okay. You know what? Both of you just stop. I'm the only one that's being patient in this process. Do you have a question, young man? I thought you were watching the Olympics. Okay.
Can you just stop trying?
Yes, dear. Why are you the one that's upset?
Well, you give us this look, so it's not like you're just,
I laughed when you waved. I didn't do anything. And I was like 30 seconds from being done, so...
No, but when Mike came up and gave him this look, like, how dare you?
No, okay, well, I'll just give it up, okay?